Hey guys, Derek here. Okay, this is a really cool thing. Okay, first of all, according to AccuWeather.com, the winds are at 15 miles an hour. But I honestly highly doubt that. And it's like super windy out here. But it's not on the ground level. Like right now, I'm feeling the wind, but not as much. The wind is mainly about the main wind effect. It's pretty much around 10 to 15 feet over my head. That's where you actually feel the huge wind effect. Right now you can hear the noise, you can hear the tree, you know, rustling and stuff. And I do feel the wind, but like, see, listen to that. It sounds like a hurricane. It sounds really cool, but you don't feel it because there's so much windbreaker around me. Like that RV, the SUV, you know, the van, the cars, the van over there. So there's like massive windbreaker, right? Like the trees are going crazy up there, but like it's not as windy. It's just like breaker. Okay, now it's windy. Now it's starting to be windy. Okay, you have to go at an angle for it to actually feel the wind. But it's amazing how like the houses are like just blocking the wind. You're hearing it from the above. You're hearing it above, but you're not really feeling the effect of the wind blowing. I don't know what the hell is that light. See that lighting? Seems like a huge Christmas tree or carnival event. I'm gonna check it out on Google Event. But yeah, so it's pretty amazing. It's like 1-ish, 2, I don't remember. It's like 1 or 2, and I'm working on my essay, and I'm hearing like all this wind noise and stuff, you know. And like you hear the leaf blowing, but I love how the houses and trees are just dampening the wind. It sounds like a car's coming by. So yeah. Alright, this is Derek. And I think I'm gonna be logging off. Ooh, look here, listen to that sound. Like I feel it, but it's not much. Oh shit, is that a lightning storm? Uh-oh. What the hell? I see like a massive flash in the background. Okay. That light is really bugging me because I don't know what it is, and it seems pretty high up. There's a flash there. Yeah, it's pretty cool and creepy at the same time. So yeah, Derek logging off. See you guys.